Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from STT Warga Surakarta. We are proudly present the materials for our research under the title is Design and Manufacturing of Control Circuits from Centrifuge Device Motor. A centrifuge is a tool that functions to separate organelles based on their density. To make the blood and reagents in the test tube, which is placed in the dish hole, rotation is carried out on the dish hole of this test tube using a DC motor. This unit is the centrifuge tool. The research designs and makes a control device to regulate the desired speed of a DC motors to move the dish hole of test tube containing blood to produce it evenly mix blood and reagent. This unit parts of centrifuge motor, this hole, and the rotation of the DC motor greatly influences the process of mixing bloods and reagents to achieve even mixing result in the blood ready for testing. In the important, regulating motor speed is very important in centrifuge devices. To obtain the desired motor rotation speed control, this research uses the PID algorithm by setting the parameters Kp, Ki, and Kd. PID control is built using an AVR microcontroller device. From the concept of the digital PID control software is expected to be translated into microcontrollers programming. This is a flow chart to produce the PID controls. The first, error control equal as SP minus present value to produce the output proportional. P equal parameter Kp by error to produce the output integral. Integral is the integral plus parameter Ki by delta error per periodic. To produce the control derivative is the parameter Kd by error now minus error before, or error n minus 1 by periodic. To produce the output PID control is equal P plus I plus derivative or D. So the output PID produce the output PWM to control speed motor. This unit you can see by right side this picture. This unit divide to two units by microcontroller module and centrifuge unit. So the microcontroller units divide by many parts of a component like the keypad, this keypad, to input the parameter SP, Kp, Ki, and Kd. This can be displayed by LCD display. Then output from microcontroller to control power module to control speed motor. This from output PWM from microcontroller. Then unit centrifuge divided by 2 unit motor and unit sensor. Sensor by Hall sensor to detect the speed of motor as a tachometer. The result from the result of the DC motor loads testing with a DC Hall field with about 12 test tubes using the PID algorithm by changing the parameter Kp, Ki and Kd parameter from DC motor speed. This research we use for many set point. The first from 1000 rpm, then 2000 rpm, 3000 rpm and 4000 rpm. The best PID parameter setting value with Kp by value 2, Ki equal 0.1 sorry, and the Kd equal 2. Produce steady state stamp of 1000 rpm reached by about 15 seconds, and then at 2000 rpm the steady state error time about 18 seconds, then 3000 rpm about 15 seconds, and the last 4000 rpm about 18 seconds. A steady state error value is 6%, then 6% at 2000, then 4% at 3000 rpm, and the last 4.5% at 4000 rpm. The effect of adding the Kd parameter is not significant on changing the steady state error or steady state error value. Below this figure, we can see that at speed about 1000 rpm, you can see the reach of steady state error about 5 seconds. 15 seconds, but present value rise and then up of the set point to overshoot and then down until the steady state error at every at moment about 15 seconds. And then at speed 2000 rpm, you can see that this value steady state error about 18 seconds. And then speed at 3000 rpm, you can see about 15 seconds too, and then speed at 400 rpm 1000 rpm about 18 rpm. And then it's very stable and reach until the steady error very fast about value 16 or 18 until 18 rpm. Thank you very much. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.